Don't you hate it when your MIG welding wire goes rusty? No use trying to clean that rusty wire. Keep winding the rusted wire off until you get to clean wire. Use compressed air to clean the line to remove the rust powder. Blast it a few times with the nozzle covered in towel paper. The towel paper catches the residue. If this is left in the line, it leads to wire feed problems. Use a piece of kitchen scourer. Clip this around the new welding wire. When you feed the new wire, the scourer cleans it. When storing the welder, use silica gel packets from shoes, handbags, etc. Place silica gel packets into a plastic bag. Cable tie the plastic bag around the welding wire. Another option is to store the MIG welder in your family room rather than your damp shed. Storage of just the welding wire alone means wasting the length of wire in the feed tube. Thanks for watching.